Hi, it's Dr. Trish Lee. Today I'd like to talk to you about addictions. Addictions run rampant throughout our country and throughout the world. What most people don't know is that there is a brain pattern at the root of every addiction that is out there. And depending upon the addiction a person has, that brain pattern may be different. It may be one of needing stimulation to the brain or calming the brain down, or in some cases, it's a combination of the two. So, for example, people who have an addiction to alcohol, which Harvard University has an awesome series of books that are called Almost Whatever Thing. There's a really cool book called Almost Alcoholic, talking about how so many people in today's society are functioning alcoholics or have alcohol abuse, which it may not be at DEFCON levels, but their brain needs alcohol on a daily basis to be able to basically calm the fire that is happening within their brain because it's running fast. Other addictions that are just off the charts in terms of we're seeing them in greater and greater numbers are porn addiction, because it is so much more accessible. If you read the research, it's astonishing because porn addiction's replacing actual relationships these days because of so much screen time and the accessibility of screens, which is terrible, obviously. And another is gaming addiction, again, which is because of screens and screen time, which is clearly becoming a larger and larger problem. Gaming addiction was actually just added to the DSM as an actual diagnosis. What you need to know is there is a brain pattern at the root of addictions. And the way to solve addictions is to get rid of the brain pattern. So neurofeedback clearly is a way that we can reduce these brain patterns that create the need for addictions in the first place. And then through habits, the person has to learn to keep their brain in the better pattern and not let it get back to the pattern that feeds the addiction. So we're going to talk about this in our brain challenge that's coming up. How to replace habit replacement, so that you don't feed your addiction and you can get out from underneath it. Clearly, if your addiction is too far gone, you need help, and you need to find that help quickly so you can reach your full potential and not let your brain control you. Okay, don't forget to subscribe and like below on my YouTube channel, and I'll bring more information on controlling your brain to you in the future. Thanks.